When there's no residue of coffee left, you are ready to put your color back in. We put the color in a straight position and we start to turn clockwise to hear a click. Then we turn the color twice anti-clockwise and stop to make sure it is locked in place. Continue to turn anti-clockwise while pushing the release button down. Once it gets to the bottom, stop and then turn one turn clockwise to stop the blades from meeting. The next element to clean in the grinder is the hopper. So we will use a clean damp cloth to wipe it from the inside and out. Then we will dry with paper towel so the grinder is ready to use afterwards. The last element we need to clean in the grinder is the dosing chamber. So we will start by emptying it from the coffee. Now we will use the soft brush to remove any residue of coffee across the dosing chamber. Then we will use a vacuum cleaner to clean any residue of coffee in the chamber. Then we need to remove any particles of coffee stuck at the back using our finger. Just be careful with the metal flap. If you have any more residue, you might need to use the vacuum cleaner again. Now we are ready to wipe with a clean damp cloth. Be careful not to break the two plastic sweepers that you have in the dosing chamber. Wipe all around the dosing chamber along with the tamper and the dispenser to remove any residue of coffee. We will finish off by drying it with a paper towel. Put your hopper back in and now your grinder is clean and ready to be adjusted to start making great coffees again. By performing this procedure weekly, your coffee grinder will be correctly maintained and your coffee will taste great. Thank you and see you at the next video.